Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where we explore the world of finance, data analysis, and actionable insights to help you excel in your career. Today we are diving into variance analysis. So, what is variance analysis? In simple terms, variance analysis is the process of comparing two sets of financial data, typically actual performance versus budgeted or prior year performance. What is the goal? The goal to identify the absolute change and percentage change. So we can understand what is driving those differences, whether it's revenue growth, cost increases, or changes in profitability. For example, if a company's revenue grew by 2470 crore compared to last year, we want to ask why did this happen? Is it due to increased sales volume, higher prices, or new product lines? By breaking down these changes, we can make informed decisions and plan for the future. Let's take the real world example. Okay, go to Google Chrome and search any company's annual report. For example, the Hull annual report. There it is. Now just go to the website and download the annual report for 2023-24. Click on it. Okay, here it is. Download it. Now go to the financial statements. There it is. Page number 260. Standalone financial statements. Okay. Basically, the first portion is all about the independent auditor's report. I will explain how to read auditor's report using ChatGPT or AI. You can do it without ChatGPT or AI, but by using ChatGPT or AI, it will help you to understand complex topics in easiest way or easier terms. Okay, there it is. The statement of standalone statement of profit and loss statement. What you need to do is that just copy it from here from particulars and copy it, okay, up to profit for the year. Okay, now you complete it. Now you completely copy this whole data. Now get back to chat gpt and write this prompt. Okay, just write this, put this in an income statement, and whatever you copied from this annual report, paste it within quotation. Okay, so here it will start putting, here it will start putting all the data in a income statement. There it is, it's completely ready. Okay, this is the 2024, this is 2023, and all the figures which are there in the income statement, it's ready. Now what I don't want is that I don't want these notes. Now it exclude the note from the above, income statement table, and it will give you the income statement without note. Okay, after that what you need to do is, okay, it's ready. Now I will ask it to add two things. What are the two columns? So in case of variance analysis, as I already mentioned in the first portion of the video, that you need to add two things. One is variance absolute change and other one is variance percentage change. So add Okay. So it added two columns. One is variance absolute change and other one is variance percentage change. And in the first portion, in the first portion of the chat, it also mentioned that what is the formula that it used in order to get the variance absolute figure, and what is the formula it used to get the variance percentage figure. Okay, there it is. Now it's completely ready. Now if you want to know, if you want to know how it analyze these figures, then we can do it. For example, I want to know whether the figure here in the revenue from operation in variance absolute, 1325, whether is it correct or not, how I could knew it. I'm sorry for the the sentence here. It must be analysis. Okay. Okay, basically it's not giving me the detailed analysis. So what I will do, I will stop it here and again rewrite the prompt and change the detailed analysis, the analysis word, or substitute the analysis word with calculations. Now click send. Now it will add one more extra column which will explain what is the detailed calculations. See, this is exactly what I was explaining. Okay, so this is how you can perform the variance analysis. You can check it whether is it correct or not, and you can perform a variance analysis on any company's annual financial statement, any company's financial statement. But whenever you are using any ChatGPT or any AI tool, it is important to recheck all the calculations, whether all the values there on our income statement prepared by ChatGPT or AI are correct or not. So please recheck all the calculations before finalizing your income statement or before putting this putting this income statement in your project or anywhere else. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Okay.